cool. No way. Oh my god. Hello and welcome back to David's Garage. Today I'm going to talk about my touring, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between a touring and a regular O2. But first, a little history lesson. The touring was kind of meant to be a sportier version of the 2002. You can actually see it has bigger rear flares, and the touring was first optioned with the TII engine. When they came out in 71, you could get a TII touring, and the normal 2002s, the TII, came out in 72. Now this particular touring, it has kind of a cool history. It was sold new in Lahr, Germany, which is L-A-H-R, if I'm not saying it right. And that's where a Canadian military base was. The guy I bought it off of was a military man, and he bought it off of another Canadian in the early 80s in Germany, and drove it around for a while before importing it in Canada in the late 80s. So what makes this touring special, at least to me? It's Inca Orange, which is definitely one of my favorite colors, and it has a sunroof, which I've always kind of kept an eye on the ones for sale, and hardly any seem to have sunroofs. So it's kind of neat. It's also what I would call a roundy touring, I guess. It has the chrome grills, which I prefer over the later 74 and up style plastic grills. Tourings were only made from 71 to 74, and they actually made less tourings than total TII production, which is kind of interesting. So they're pretty rare, and they were never sold in North America new, except for 2 that were sold in the Vancouver dealership. I don't know if those were special orders or what happened, but there is 2 that were sold back in the day in Vancouver. Other than that, I don't know of any that were sold officially in North America. So a little walk around. This one has TII alloys, which would probably be original to the car. And it's a 2002 touring, which I think came out in 73 as well. The 71 and 72 tourings are just called 2000. But you could also get 1800 and 1600 tourings as well. Now this thing is, unfortunately, it's quite rough. It's pretty rusty. The rockers are toast, and so are kind of part of the floor. You can get all these patch panels, but it will need a little bit of work, that's for sure. So yeah, like the rear quarters. The spare wheel well is actually decent, and the rear struts are toast as well. But such a cool little car. I absolutely love them. They're kind of ahead of their time in a way. Like the Volkswagen Golf came out in 1974, and that was a hatchback, and this thing isn't too far off in a way, but just never took off. Alright, so let's talk about the differences. Obviously the main difference is the back. The Touring is a hatchback, whereas the normal O2 is just a sedan, I guess, with an enclosed trunk. There's no panel, like the seats don't fold down or anything. This is totally separate from the cabin. Whereas the Touring, rear seats actually fold down, and there's actually quite a bit of room. It's not bad. So it's got a little hook right there. The seat hooks into, and then they fold down like a normal car. There's actually a little pedal, and the bottom seat goes down a little further as well. But since we're at the back, we'll start with the other differences too. The taillights are actually Touring specific, which I didn't know until I got this thing. Here are a few pictures of the differences. They're very slight. That's what a normal roundy taillight looks like. Now another difference at the back is these bumpers. And I think it's just the corner piece, But this is a normal 2002. It's much longer. So it's another rare piece that I have to try and find. And then these rear quarter windows are quite a bit longer. So the quarter windows on a 2002 are roughly 26 inches. Just shy of 26. And we'll go to the Touring. I gotta extend this even more. It is roughly 34 inches. So it's quite a bit longer, almost 8 inches longer. And I had a 2002 with a sunroof, and I actually measured the difference. The Touring sunroofs are just basically 2 inches longer than a normal 2002 sunroof. Yeah, well, we're back here. The spare wheel well and gas tank are also much different on a Touring. It's also have these little like tool storage areas. It's kind of interesting. Touring's actually fairly solid here, but if you lift up these, which expose the rear struts, there's some funkiness going on, that's for sure. Oh my god. Yeah, she needs a little bit of work. So, it's a Touring, and then we look at the normal 02. I actually don't know if there's any capacity difference on the tanks, but this is definitely a lot flatter and wider. And then also you can really see the difference in trunk shape from the floor panels. Kinda neat. This is actually the plate. When it was in Germany, it would have had this plate on it. Registered as like a Canadian military vehicle, which is kind of funny. Another thing is the height. Here, Touring is about, let's go, yeah, like 16 and 7/8. And 2002 is a little shorter. So it's 16 and a half pretty much. Kind of interesting. So I think the side windows are the same, and the door skins are actually definitely the same, but these vent windows are different. Here's a picture to show the difference. The vent window, yeah, it gets like cut off, whereas on the normal 02 it like goes to the top. And this is because the windshield is totally different as well. This angle here versus that, which is kind of interesting. I think they did all these things to make it look a little bit more proportional, because that section right here, that is actually quite long. It almost looks goofy, but they try to make it look a little shorter or something, because the roof is a little taller and then the front slanted more as well. So as far as I know, the interior is the same. The dash, the door cards, all that fun stuff is the same. What is different, and kind of cool actually, is the rear here. You can see there's a little pedal right here, and you push this down, and that brings the bottom half of the seat down, and then you can fold the top half, and it kind of gets flat, which is kind of cool. Obviously the rear door cards will be longer, and so will the headliner and those little rear panels and stuff. That's all different, of course. So let's pop the hood. There's one little thing that is different. And I'm sure this will be the same on a convertible. I think the Tourings and the convertibles share the same windshield. But this little windshield sprayer, that's different. The passenger side's the same. The driver's side is different than a normal 02. So, other than that thing, and I think the batteries might be all lower on the Tourings, Not too sure about that. Otherwise, man, this is such a cool car. I love the orange and wish this thing wasn't as rusty. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something on Tourings. And as always, thanks for watching. Oh yeah.